channel, the Christian Technology. So today we're going to be talking about writing a function that add to values and return the values. So this is task 10 of if else function. So write a function that add two integers. So when we talk about integers, they can be positive or negative numbers, and returns the result. So it returns the result. So we're gonna create a prototype. So that's gonna be inside that. Or maybe we are gonna create a main. So return the value of a plus b. So that's what we're gonna do. So actually, this is just the answer to everything. We're not allowed to import any model, so we are not importing how to perform these tasks. You don't need to understand whatever. So without wasting much time, this is what given to us for the main. So I'm just gonna copy this 10-main.py. So inside the 10, this is what we are gonna test to see if the code is running properly. So I'm just see that. Sorry for that. So haven't copied that. You're gonna be testing it to see if it works properly. So that's what we are going to be doing here. So that is that. So the other things we also need again is @py 10-at.py. So we are gonna waste time. We are gonna go ahead and create our prototype. So I'm just gonna cd to the normal root, then let me clear. So I was going to cd inside desktop like that. I'm going to cd inside this one too, then cd 0xl1. So then after that I'm going to it will list what we have there. This is the only project we have done. So right away I'm going to create an empty file, and I'm going to call it 10-art.py. That's the first file. Then I'm going to say touch again to create another empty file, which is 10-main.py. So I've created two empty files. So I'm just going to navigate to the 10-art. So now that I've navigated there, next thing is to start writing our code. So I'm just gonna put bin like that, then Python 3. So that is that. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put function, and the name of the function is going to be add. Now this function accepts two parameters. You know, the other functions that we have been dealing with, they are only accepting one parameter, but this time around this function is receiving two parameters, and the two parameters are a and b, like this. So the two parameters are a and b, and if you pass two values into this parameter, it's going to add it for you. So we're asked to return a plus b, like that. and that is all. So you might decide to come in here and add a bracket, but let's do it without the bracket and see if it works. So but I'll advise you to make use of a bracket because that is very important. So hit enter, then I will go on and navigate to the I'll go on and navigate to the main. Actually, I can still run it still on the same file, but I would rather like to run it on the 10 main.py. So I'm just gonna vi into 10 main.py, then just head and paste that there. Let's see what I'm gonna paste. Okay, so I've seen it. So just hit there, and that's how it goes. So now that we have that settled, I'm going to escape. I think something is missing. So let me add that right away. Good. So escape. So I'm just going to run that and see what we get as our output. So I am going to change the mode. So u plus x, then we have 10 in there, then main. So I'm just going to run that 10 main to see. So you can see we have 3, we have 98, 98. So even though you put it in a bracket, for instance, we put that in a bracket like that, it's going to add the both values. You see I have 398, 98. You can go around and play with it. So we can come to vi main.py, then you can change one or two values. So I can just change this to 5. Sorry, it's 5. Oh. Let me say 5 plus 5. So I think this should give me 10. I can come here and say 98 plus 2. That should give me 100. And 100 plus 0. That should give me 100. Or let me put 50. So like that. So let's run it again. Okay, I think I encountered an error. let me see. Okay, I remove one of the bracket here, so one of the bracket is missing, so just like that. So I'm just going to hit the run. So you see we have 10, we have 100, and we have 150. Even though we add negative numbers, let's try to add negative numbers. I just want to know how good this calculator is. So minus 5 plus minus, okay, minus 5 plus 5, I think that should give us 0. So I have to have 0, 100, and 150. So let's see. So we have 0, 100, and 150. So if I can come to this place and add minus 5 minus plus minus 5. So let me see. You see it gives me minus 10. So this is good. So I hope you guys have a clear understanding of today's topic. So please make sure you like, you subscribe. That's one of the favor you can do me. Jingle the notification bell, and see you.